Hey you guys, Eddie of Fliptronics. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the back on your Samsung Galaxy S5. So, for some people this can be kind of tricky. What you want to do is there's going to be a little crease in your phone right here where you can stick your finger in it. I'm going to turn the phone off just to be safe. So let me power this off. You should power off your phone when you're doing this if it's on. Anyways, you want to pry this little side right here. And it should snap off quite easy. It shouldn't be too difficult. Just be careful so you don't crack your back. Alright, and then if you want to, remove your battery, you can just pop it out like so. And then to put the back on, you can just gently pry it back on. It goes on pretty easy. It doesn't take too much. Back on. Anyways guys, that is how you remove the back on your Samsung Galaxy S5. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and be sure to subscribe to our channel.